Wagwan everybody, Lennox here from Simple 123 Trader. Today I'm going to again replay a snippet of our 123 playbook that I record each night for our members. And what we do is we analyze the US dollar futures index to determine what major pairs we are going to look to trade. So I'm going to play a snippet of last night's recording of the playbook so that you can see what I was seeing and what I imparted to the members to look at. Okay, so here we go. Here's a little bit of it. Let's take a quick look at the US dollar futures index, and from the daily time frame, the same analysis holds. We're now in the fifth wave of this move to the downside, looking to come down into the support area, and I can actually draw out the support area. So now I can actually put it in. So that will be where we'll be looking to come into. And on the 4-hour time frame, we won't see it, but we know that it's down below. And so we're looking to continue this trend to the downside. So again, there is a channel that we're in. I can actually draw the channel in. I do this all the time, but let me just change that to a long one. Okay, so here is our channel. And make sure, okay, and then the bottom of the channel, which begins right there. Okay, so we're in that channel. We're heading to the down. We're right in the middle of it currently, and we just need to find a 1, 2, 3 top. Can't see it that well on the 4-hour, but it's there. There's a 1, 2, 3 top right there, and we are just getting a little pullback. And expected move for tonight would be again to the downside for the US dollar. Okay, so dropping to the 1-hour time frame, we take a look at it, and let's see. Okay, so on the 1-hour time frame, 1, 2, 3 top right there on the 1-hour, but the entire thing becomes a 1, 2, 3 top. So this whole thing is a 1, 2, 3 top. Then we get another one, and yet another one, and so we're just going up and down. So this one is being retraced by this one is being retraced now, and the expected move would be again to the downside. Okay, so not looking to go long at all, just looking to go to the downside for the US dollar. So weakness in the US dollar, so that gives us opportunities in the major pairs. So we will take a look at that. Let's take a quick look at the portfolio. Okay, so that was a quick look at the snippet of last night's playbook recording. And so let's take a look at how it played out. So this is the US dollar on the daily time frame. And as you can see, there's the trend line that I drew. There's the support area that I drew in. And you can see we have a big, huge red bar there. So dropping to the 4-hour time frame, again, we were right here. I marked out this 1, 2, 3 right there, and then yet another one and another one. The expected move was to the downside, like I pointed out. So dropping to the 1-hour time frame, we can get a closer look at this structure. And again, I marked out this 1, 2, 3 top. The entire thing becomes a 1, 2, 3 top at that point. And then we had another 1, 2, 3 top, yet another one, and even the smaller one before we finally got that drop. So, you know, they're trying to fake everybody out to go along. They're trying to fake everybody out, the market makers are, but the whole premise is for this to fall. And if you can keep yourself away from being tempted to go long, then you're going to make some pips in the major pairs. You can even make pips in the US dollar currency. You can just play the US dollar to the downside for all intents and purposes. So now we can look at the other currencies like Aussie US dollar on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see if you can catch 1, 2, 3 bottoms anywhere like that, and you even here, that's just money. Okay, and if you decided okay that you didn't like the Aussie US, which was actually the strongest currency of all, it was the Aussie. That would have been a great play. The Euro US dollar, similar. 1, 2, 3 bottom. 1, 2. There's a series of them in here, and then boom, that's the money. Okay, and then even Bitcoin, I'm sure probably did similar. Yes, indeed. So Bitcoin, you have a 1, 2, 3 bottom, little one there, and then it's gone. Okay, and this is again what what sets up. So GBP US dollar, beautiful 1, 2, 3 bottom there, and then it's gone. Even if you caught it here, that's opportunity to catch that little bit of a move there. And so those are the base pairs against the US dollar. Now look at using the US dollar as the base pair like USD CAD. That's going the opposite way because the US dollar is weak. So we get 1, 2, 3 top, and we're on our way to the downside. And similarly with USD Swiss or USD Japanese yen, you would get a similar move. So 1, 2, 3 top, and you're on your way down. And if I put in USD Swiss, just do that real quick, then this is what you would get. Also, the same type of movement, very choppy, just like the US dollar. This is almost identical to the US dollar chart. And then you get a 1, 2, 3, and you're on your way to the downside. Okay, so that's a look at what our members get to analyze and see each night in the playbook, and that's just a small snippet of what they get. All right, so profitable trading to you. I'm done now. Thank you.